Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone interested in investing: the basics of stock market. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will cover everything you need to know to get started in the exciting world of stocks. So let's jump right in. Section 1. Introduction to stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, which means you own a small part of that company. This ownership entitles you to a share of the company's profits and assets. Section 2. How the stock market works. The stock market is where stocks are bought and sold. It's a platform where investors and traders come together to trade shares of publicly listed companies. Stock prices fluctuate based on supply and demand, economic factors, and company performance. Section 3. Types of stocks. There are different types of stocks, such as common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks offer voting rights and potential for dividends, while preferred stocks offer fixed dividends, but usually no voting rights. Section 4. How to buy and sell stocks. To participate in the stock market, you'll need a brokerage account. Brokerage platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, or traditional brokers allow you to buy and sell stocks. It's essential to research and choose a reliable broker that suits your investment goals. Section 5. Understanding stock market indices. Stock market indices, like the Nifty 50 or Sensex in India, track the performance of a group of stocks. They serve as benchmarks to gauge the overall market sentiment and economic health. Section 6. Basic investment strategies. When investing in stocks, consider strategies like long-term investing, where you buy and hold stocks for an extended period to benefit from potential growth. Alternatively, short-term trading involves buying and selling stocks within a shorter time frame to capitalize on market fluctuations. Section 7. Risk management. Investing in stocks carries risks, including market volatility and company-specific risks. It's crucial to diversify your portfolio, conduct thorough research, and set realistic investment goals to manage risks effectively. There you have it, the basics of stock market explained in a nutshell. Remember, learning about stocks is a continuous journey, so keep exploring and educating yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on investing and finance. Thanks for watching and happy investing. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.